So you watch this thing go through a gully or something, and all the rollers, they just envelop the contours of everything that goes over. My name is Alan Gustafson, and I'm Chief Engineer for the track systems at AGCO. The Ideal Combine is truly a global project. We have designers in multiple countries, speaking multiple languages. I was approached by some engineers that were working on the project in late 2013. And they said, oh, by the way, we would like to put a track system on this new combine. Keep in mind at that time, it was very early in the project. I didn't have any real direction other than make it fit, make it work, make it last. And oh, by the way, we want low rolling resistance. Okay, these are things that we know how to do. We're familiar with designing track systems for tractors. Don't worry about it, we'll take care of you. We know from experience that when you have a belt going around something, the way to get low rolling resistance usually is minimize the number of rollers and make them as big as you can get them. Our idler wheels are the biggest on any positive drive track system in the industry. So it's got to be robust, right? What are we going to do? We're going to use components that we already use on Challenger tractors. So if you look behind me here, these wheels on the end, these are the idler wheels from a Challenger. The mid rollers, well, we had different ones to start with, but now that we commonized, these are the same ones we use on a MT700 tractor. You can't see it here, but many of the components inside the hubs, the axles, bearings, seals, many components inside here are exact same part numbers as Challenger. And over the course of development, we went through 4 iterations of track systems. We changed this to a positive drive version that is articulated. Before, it was the front and rear wheels, idler wheels, are connected together on a common beam. It would pivot together. But we changed that. We split the middle, and so it's called an articulated frame. So what this does is when we encounter an obstacle, the front and rear idler wheels can go up and down independently of all the other rollers. Each particular roller can go independent in its motion within its full range of motion. By having the track system on the front, it doesn't have all the variation of a tire. So the big difference is the combine itself goes through much less motion than the undercarriage does. So it's very stable. We still have tires in the back, but what's close up to the header is extremely stable, makes a very stable platform. We have one of the longest tracks on the ground on the market. The track belt itself is unique. We have 3 different widths of tracks on this, a 26, a 30, and a 36. This track system was designed with no maintenance points on it, but we tried to build off as much as we can off components that we have tens of thousands of hours of field time already on, and we know they're proven. To me, it's interesting. My portion of the world on this whole project is relatively small, but cooperation amongst this project's been awesome.